The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch 264 effective until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Ashley, Chickett; in Louisiana, Catahoula, Concordia, East Carroll, Franklin, Madison, Morehouse, Richland, Tensas, West Carroll; in Mississippi, Adams, Alcorn, Atala, Benton, Bolivar, Calhoun, Carroll, Chickasaw, Choctaw, Claiborne, Clark, Clay, Coahoma, Copiah, Covington, DeSoto, Forest, Franklin, Grenada, Hines, Holmes, Q miles per Horace, Issaquena, Itawamba, Jasper, Jefferson, Jefferson Davis, Jones, Kemper, Lafayette, Lamar, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Leake, Lee, Leflore, Lincoln, Lowndes, Madison, Marion, Marshall, Monroe, Montgomery, Neshoba, Newton, Noxubee, Octobina, Panola, Pontotoc, Prentice, Quitman, Rankin, Scott, Sharkey, Simpson, Smith, Sunflower, Tallahatchie, Tate, Tippah, Tishomingo, Tunica, Union, Warren, Washington, Webster, Winston, Elapisha, Yazoo, and Alabama, Autauga, Bibb, Blount, Butler, Calhoun, Cherokee, Chilton, Choctaw, Clark, Clay, Cleburne, Colbert, Conecuh, Coolsa, Cullman, Dallas, DeKalb, Etowah, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hale, Jackson, Jefferson, Lamar, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Lowndes, Madison, Marengo, Marion, Marshall, Monroe, Morgan, Perry, Pickens, Shelby, St. Clair, Sumter, Talladega, Tuscaloosa, Walker, Washington, Wilcox, Winston. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.